Interrogations with the culprits. Charlie Crook. No comment. That's what they normally say on TV. Betty Bandit.
I am a bank robbery specialist and work with the greatest of criminals. Do you think I would steal such a small sum from small children? Besides, I do not eat biscuits.
Robbie Robber.
Huh? A bank? You probably can't take a lion into a bank. And I can't exactly tie mine up outside either.
Rita Rascal.
Oh, that day I was at an auction. I bid on a genuine Blomqvist vase for $350, a silver candlestick in real gold for $600, a crow cage for magpies for $900, a bowl-shaped bowl for $35, a model of a dog shaped like a cat.
Penny Pickpocket.
And
I wasn't home that day. I was at the Lollipop Championships. It's held once a year. I came third. I ate 15 lollipops in 8 minutes. The National Lollipop Club will tell you I was there.
Theodore Thief.
You really don't know me, do you? I'm a thief and a gentleman. I would never steal money from children.